The family is very affected. We are coming to terms with that loss. A man we are honored with at last night in his house, and we had supper with him. We had talks, and so like he was saying goodbye, because I was with him until around 1 a.m. the last night, and he told me he's going for an interview at Kameme and in Mworoto TV. And he was contemplating not going for that interview, but he said he has to go for the interview.
Nitwamwikirire thumbe ya uthamaki wa gikuyu, na kwoguo niturari na itanya inene muno ria utongoria wake. Na riu ri gukiragwo ati Ngai ndari hindi athiaga ugeni na ndari hindi ahutatagira andu, na nitureciria ni agutuonia njira iria ingi tukurumirira, na nituoya ati no tukuona njira. Wetete hau kabere na ruge wengi ndeto icio ni turi njira igiri cia guci approach ni gukiri riu nituoya ati tutongoretio ni Ngai ni tukuona njira, na kindu kia mbere ni twambe tumuhe gitio gia guthikwo.
The last picture you took was exactly where I'm standing. You were sitting where you are. So really, it's really difficult for all of us.
I have nothing to say but to say, God rest him in peace. I have lost a friend.
Undu cio ndi unyitire na njira ndito muno, na ninge twaririkana tunari ni wa thirikari yo igitwari nayo ya Gachagua no atutigire, na riu Dr. Gakuru no atutiga. No turie mwathani agituika wa kuigwira Nyeri kaunti tha ni tondu ikinya riu turona turorete ni turaigwa rigituhinyiriria tutigiuta Ngai mahitia no tumwire o undu umwe aiko ni kuri na kahitia twikite thiini wa kaunti ino itu ya Nyeri nyagituika wa guturekera
riria kurauraga mbura guku kurahanaga muiyuro, na niturakena ni tondu ngavana witu riria twamuthurire immediately ajiririe kuruta wira, na niturakenetio ni ngavana muno, koguo niko turaigwa tumakite muno, no turahoya Ngai ni agutumiriria na ni aguthii na mbere na gutuika wega.